Okay guys, I have seen in a few other videos and some other people say this is so hard to weed. The Infusible ink sheets. I'm using steel plate. I'm going to be using this on a project and I will be live on Tuesday at 2 p.m. Eastern time to finish the project. But I just want to show you, do a quick video on how to weed, and we're going to be layering this project. So I'm going to show you a little bit of that here, and then we'll show it again, or we'll finish it in the live video. So this is a full sheet of the ink transfer sheets, and I'm going to turn this over and pull this off. Now, what I like to do is to have this cut through the whole transfer on part of it. And I'll show you that in a second. Because I like to keep as much of this as possible. So I set this to cut this outside 3 times so it would cut through the transfer. And now I'm going to turn it over and peel this off. And I'm just peeling the mat back. And I did mirror my design. I just keep going back over it, so I'm going to hold this down. There we go. Got that off. If you're used to weeding vinyl and you try to weed this the same way you weed vinyl, you're not going to like it. This is not vinyl. It is not iron-on. It is different. This is more of a paper consistency. You want to roll it and it will crack, and that's how it's supposed to be. Did you hear that? Hearing that? Like, I'm just pushing these down. I'm gonna take these letters out, and it's really easy. It's really kind of easy once you understand how it weeds. It's not like weeding vinyl. I can save these letters, which I'm going to do, and I can use these letters. Instead of vinyl, you weed it out, you kind of have to throw it away, especially with iron-on. But with this, there is no waste. I can save all these, and I plan to do a mosaic on a t-shirt or something with all of the pieces that I weed out. So if you just like push it down, do you see how these letters pop up? It's really, really easy. If you bend it right there, it just pops up and you just pull it away. I used the Infusible ink sheet setting, and I did not change it, the default setting, to more pressure or less pressure. It just cut it perfectly. But this is so much easier to weed than vinyl, even tiny little pieces. Oh wait, I'm gonna keep that one. Forgot. This one, I could just rip this, but I want to make sure I can save this, especially an M. I can say my name. All right, okay. See how easy that was? Now I did cut this so I can weed this off. But I'm not going to take that off yet until tomorrow when I am ready to do this. So now I'm going to save these little pieces in a Ziploc baggie so I can reuse these shapes. Okay, now we're going to weed this one off. I did this the same way. I put a square around it and attached it 3 times to cut it out. So I don't cut very well with scissors, guys. I don't cut a straight line. I would not be able to cut this well. So I just let my Cricut do it. So I'm going to flip this down, pull this up. So now we want to keep the letters in here. We are going to put those letters inside the holes here. So when we want to press this on the tote, we do it in one single press, but have two colors. So I'm just going to keep this on here like that. I'm going to pull the letters up just like I did on the first one. And we are going to set them inside, just like a puzzle. It fits there perfectly. I think I put the wrong S, but the S's are the same, so it doesn't matter. I kind of feel it to make sure it's even. I love this confetti font from Cricut. So I'm just bending that down and it comes up really, really easy. So please learn the tricks of weeding. You're gonna love this stuff. I'm going to bend both sides of this end. Okay, do you guys realize we have two projects out of this one? We can use the reverse. Okay, now this one's not correct. It's not in there perfectly. So I'm going to lay it right in there. It does fit there kind of like a puzzle. It's really not too hard. And then we're going to do the S. Turn it so you can see it best. Make sure there's no space, and I see space. You want to turn it over and make sure you can't see the space. So that's how you weed and how you layer. And we're going to actually press this project in the next video. Here's a shout out to a few of the people who support this channel on Patreon. Treva, Lydia, Sandra, Jennifer, Margaret, Pamela, Beverly, Ronell, Sil, Jen, Melinda, Sandy, Deborah, Georgianne, Ellen, Janet, Vicky, LaShawn, Shamina, Donna, Betty, Barbie, David, Misty, Gloria, Mouse Baby, Alicia, Kelly, George, Jody, Diane, Sonia, Nina, Bobby Ford, Judy, Rachanda, Jane, Amanda, Nabuka, Carol, Afia, Susan, Marla, Deborah, Peggy, and Cynthia. And thank you. A big shout out to my co-sponsors. You guys are amazing. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you have questions on weeding or anything else with the infusible ink, please ask them in the comments below and I will answer them as soon as I can. Love you guys. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.